We'll start simple. First, we'll light up 3 LEDs for the traffic light. Then we'll add a button to request the traffic light to turn green. After that, we'll integrate a buzzer that warns when the remaining green phase time is running out. Finally, we'll add a 7-segment display to show the countdown for each traffic light phase. Stay with me until the end and you'll see how everything works in Tinkercad. No physical components needed. If you want to try this project yourself, go to tinkercad.com, log into your account, and follow the instructions in this video. The first step is to create a simple traffic light with 3 LEDs. We have red, yellow, and green LEDs, each connected to a digital pin on the Arduino. In the code, we set them as output and control them so they'll light up in sequence. First red, then green, then yellow. This simulates the operation of a real traffic light, and the sequence repeats continuously. I'll attach a link in the description where you can download the script for all phases of the traffic light. The simple LED version, with the pedestrian button, with the buzzer, and with the 7-segment display. Here you can upload the source code for your projects. As you can see, the three LEDs are sequentially controlled by the Arduino, simulating a real traffic light operation. Red arrow to green arrow to yellow, with time intervals defined in the code. Next, I'll add a button to request the traffic light to turn green. The button will be connected to a digital pin on the Arduino and continuously monitored in the code to trigger the corresponding sequence. When the button is pressed, the traffic light immediately switches to green. In the code, after turning on the green LED, a blinking sequence is implemented using a delay and loop to indicate that the allocated green phase time is running out. Next, I'll add a buzzer that emits a sound to warn that the remaining time of the green phase is running out. The buzzer is connected to a digital pin on the Arduino and is activated in the code at the same time as the green LED blinking sequence, using delay functions and loops to synchronize the sound with the LED blinking. The next step will be to integrate a 7-segment display that shows the remaining time for each traffic light sequence. The display will be connected to the Arduino's digital pins and updated in the code to show a countdown synchronized with the LEDs and buzzer. And that's our Arduino traffic light project in Tinkercad. As you've seen, everything works perfectly, and you can easily adjust the operating times by changing the values in the source code. If you enjoyed this project, don't forget to give a like, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials.